We back at it again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and hit that subscribe button. Put it pang in notification bar, bruh. When we drop a video, you're the first one to know about it, man, to be notified. But yeah, today we're reacting to Elokishini by Sizwe Alkaline, which we know is Reason. But yeah, so this one is Elokishini. So yeah, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it. You're here for the video, not for anything else. I know. So let me not waste any time. Elokishini by Sizwe Alkaline.
Ngicabanga lezo zinto mama zibulala abantu abaflyayo thina asifly sila eMzansi waya
If you know the guy that's talking right now, it's the guy during COVID. So they were asking him what he thinks about COVID. I was like, nah, that thing is not for us. That's something from people that fly, bruh. They go on trips. Tina, we here. Wire. Where we at? Elokishini. Take it back. Like trap drums. I don't know. There's something about trap drums. Wire. We put shit together, brother. Basically, the chorus is saying, Elokishini, siyaphana, we hustle, bruh. In the township, we hustle, we put shit together. People are head of houses and they get paid $5,000 a month. You have to take care of 3 kids and maybe 2 other siblings on $5,000. We put shit together and we make it, bruh. We make it through the month. How? Because we're hustlers. We find where there's a mean, there's a way, my brother. Where there's a mean, there's a way. Bamba Elokishini, I respect them. Hey, Elokishini, dog. We see some fucked up shit, but we still make it through. How you stay motivated in the hood, I don't know, man. The glorified concentration camp. So it's crazy, but yeah, Elokishini.
Welcome to the ghetto, nakusekatleho kunamagala kugcwela bomlindo sonke silana sizwana nomsindo dlala lentwana zivala ngomgwinyo uyabahlanyisa bakuthathela izinto khuthuza konke nomama wesonto
Sikhuthuza konke nomama wesonto. Anything goes, my brother. We don't have morals. Fuck out of here.
sonke silana sizwana nomsindo dlala lentwana zivala ngomgwinyo uyabahlanyisa bakuthathela izinto khuthuza konke nomama wesonto iPakistan abazweni lesono kodwa ngesitoko bamthathela isitolo bona abantu emunye kholo mara lebahlulile sebakokoti imoto bona abacwebu ngesikolo mara abazali bahlala bangekho ngombono bona bakhule kangcono mara lempilo yamangaza abasena lutho khona bakhule badoma baphila ukudlula bokleva bafela lenye.
Life is not guaranteed, my brother. Life is not guaranteed. He's saying there were kids that grew up smart as fuck. Where they at now? There are niggas that were growing up, they were deemed stupid. Where they at now? Fashion designers. They're astronauts. You know why? Why you need to I don't get it. Nigga, one thing I'm saying, Lamchita that uyaboniswa. That's the nigga you need to look out for. Why you need to ngaboniswa? Come on, I don't like. Come on. Don't brain
or the cemetery by Philebo. Have you ever seen a nigga dying in the streets? But we are church. Have I never by a lot? But by am cover of Porsche. Do will it kind of boy? Bajabibon, Elokishini, 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 Sfuna Maki, Sfuna Mafi, Sfuna Mami, Elokishini, Sfuna Masel, Sfuna Matel, Sfuna Matel, Elokishini, 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 Elokishini. Natabala Bali, 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 Bali. Tina skule kasi. Niggas moving on party, son. Umelele touch scats.
Facts. Imbumelele Chatiskad. Patience and dedication. That's all it needs.
Yeah, tryna go harder, kuna madala. When you sakala, tina siya dollar. Put that shit on, I should be at the gala. Study the game to the T, I'm a scholar. Came from the bar, my son's on move.
Study the game to a T, I'm a scholar. Study the game to a T, I'm a scholar. And we're talking about designer. T-shirt. Study the game to a T. That means you dot your I's, cross your T's. He has the game on lock. And was talking about designers. T-shirt. Yeah. You didn't get that.
Niggas moving on party, son. Umelele touch scats.
Yeah, tryna go harder, kuna madala.
Tina skule kasi. Niggas moving on party, son.
You wouldn't survive if you didn't have to hustle. All takes time.
Yeah, tryna go harder, kuna madala. When you sakala, tina siya dollar. Put that shit on, I should be at the gala. Study the game to the T, I'm a scholar. Came from the bar, my son's on move smaller. Nothing mahala, nigga badala. When you sakala, I choose a sala. Tina siya hammer. I can't go back with no bag, we are clever. Could've been strapped and put on by the clavers, but I chose rap to continue the saga.
I could have been strapped, putting on balaclavas, but I chose to rap. Poverty, one of the biggest reasons for robberies and all this fucking shit that happens in township is poverty, my brother. Poverty. All of a sudden you feel like you don't have a choice and start mugging people. You always have a choice, but I don't know, indala na mañana. So my nigga, he could have been strapped up with the balaclava, but he chose to rap. And look at him now on a song with Sizwe, Alkaline.
You think I was brother? They show me scriptures ain't seen in the Bible. I ain't even feeling I try to survival. Cry me a river, I'm Sizwe, let's calorie. Cash on the rivals, the move like a dado. From Elokishini.
Mandeja key, shijama key, slanda mashis, Elokishini, hipigini, puza mapi, nabo makris, Elokishini, spele kwari, nabo Dyan'van, speta maki, Elokishini, siyahlanganisa, sifana lempi, sifuna maklip, sifuna mafi, sifuna mami, Elokishini, siyahlanganisa, sifana lempi, sifuna maklip, sifuna mafi, sifuna mami, Elokishini.
That was good. And I have to reiterate this. Trap drums. Mfana. Trap drums takes a song from good to marvelous. So yeah, that was Sizwe Alkaline with Elokishini. Siyahlanganisa. So yeah, that was my reaction of Elokishini. Fire track. Welcome back to hip hop, Sizwe Alkaline or Reason. I don't know if Sizwe. The album is by Sizwe, but he's rapping. I don't know about Sizwe Alkaline or Reason, but whoever that is, hey, you kahlele mfana. Aye. Umsoco. So yeah, it's Dyan'van. Catch you on the next video. Yes, sir.